Hi, this is Hi Bob Poor Bob, and we're about to play some Ultimate General Civil War. Okay, welcome to my camp screen. I have done a few things already. I put my point into medicine and politics. I bought all the 3 stars that I had talked about buying. I bought up all of the howitzers and 20-pounder parrots. I'm going to buy all of these. I have gone through and sorted all of my units by how experienced they are. So what you do is you grab a single general, whichever one you want, and then you look at their experience, and then you can tell exactly how experienced they are. It takes a while to do. It's probably not worth it for most of you guys, most anybody. I find some interest in it, and what I have done is I've gone through and I have built out part of a division for the next battle. You get to take 15 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them are infantry units so far. I'm going to take a little bit of an efficiency penalty there if I don't bring a 2-star general there. But I don't think it's really that big a deal. I could go ahead and change it out though. So there we go. Efficiency is no longer red. So what we're going to do is we're going to level up some of these 3 stars. Hopefully get them up to Brigadier General pretty quick here. Like, these two probably will definitely. Maybe a couple of these guys, if they get into some firefights, they all are carrying 2,500 infields. I feel that infield is a really great gun for a balanced fight. It lets you put out a lot of damage, and yet still retains a relatively good price. I will probably buy most of the rest of those before we move on. Now we just need to decide on any other units that we are going to bring. We want a sniper at least. We could go ahead and bring a lower level sniper, but we would need to make sure and get enough something to trade this out and put it there. Go ahead and put the Whitworths back on them. Okay, so we could go ahead and flesh this out a little bit. Maybe go ahead and bring it up to 150. Go ahead and bring them up to 150 as well. We're using units with some experience to pour in here, so it's not like they're just raw recruits. And we got 16 more of those that we could go ahead and pour in here. 16, and so we're going to move the sniper over. We could go ahead and bump this up to 250 as well, and keep the star. That's pretty good. And now we're just looking at, do we need cavalry? This whole map is forest. So I think the answer to that question is a resounding no. We don't want to even touch cavalry in this map. Next question. We're going to top off our 24 pounders with, go ahead and go to 9 on all of them. Look for the rest of them. I think that's pretty much it. I think we just have the 4 or 5 of them. There's another one. We put them all in the same division. It's kind of neat. So yeah, I sorted out all my artillery into this core and this core, along with any other units that I don't usually get rid of. I don't usually get rid of any of my cavalry or artillery, at least not on a regular basis. I sometimes break it down and make new ones, change up things, but I don't actually usually just break them down like I do my infantry.
Yes, sir.
So we can get most of them to 10, and then can we build another 8, I think, with the men we have. We won't be able to build a 10, but we could build an 8. They do have 2 stars, which is what I want. Shooting, training, I think we pretty much want to go with tactical training on these guys. Hide them as much as possible. So then we can go ahead and break down another one of these guys. And come over here and pour them in. Let's give them like a normal low general. We don't even need a general probably, but yeah, we do need a general. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so now we have a full division of 24-pound howitzers. That's pretty good. We just need one more to flesh out that one. These guys, it's a lot of parrots. Oh, I missed one. Dang, that's too bad. That's fine. And get all those guys out of the way. So we can put all our parrots in one division. Just because that's what I want to do right now. And there we go. One of them still at 8, that's fine. We could have left a couple of them at, like, one more of these at 9 and been able to do that, but a little bit late for that now. 10-pounder parrots. So we're just looking around, we're seeing what we need. Do we need counter battery? How many batteries do they actually have in this map? I don't know the answer to that. I kind of usually just go in, experiment, see if I need to change anything, then I'll back out and I'll make my decision then. So we got 8, 9, 10 units, so we need 5 more. So now the decision comes down to what all do we need. I don't think we need any of those. We could go ahead and bring a pair of 24-pound howitzers. Let's put them in those. So we are up to 12 units, 3 more. We should bring probably a couple of parrots. I don't really want to, but I think that it's in my best interest to go ahead and get a couple parrots in there. So we will throw in, we could throw in a 20-pound, we could throw in the 20-pounder in there. And there is 15 units that we can take into this battle. Still have 130,000 left. We can spend that after we get done with this battle. The next question that I have to ask myself is, what size of unit am I going to for Stones River? And we're going to get probably 5,000 men from this battle before we go into Stones River. And the problem is that we can only bring 20 brigades each, and that is really hampering since the last one we had almost 100, and now we've got to shorten it down. So a lot of things aren't going to be able to happen. like they did in the last one. We won't be able to bring our howitzers, our Napoleons. They would just be a waste of space, is pretty much all it comes down to. Yeah, so ordnances will probably be a waste of space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we definitely want to bring those 15. Probably 3 snipers. So that gets me almost a full core worth right there. And then like 3 or 4 melee cav. And, you know, we just keep racking up the numbers. And then we look at how many infantry we have. And we could probably almost bring full 2,500 stacks for the entire rest of the army on top of those units that I just pointed out. And still have men left over. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So those, no, not those two. So 26 units leaves me 34 units is all. So 34 units of infantry times the 25. Let me work that out here real quick. Sorry for the delay. We have 34 units, and if we put 2,500 into each one, that would be 85,000 men. So that actually does sound like I will not be able to make full 2,500 men, because I only had like 90,000 in the last battle, I think, and I've only gained, I lost like 4,000, and I gained 8,000, and I'm going to gain another 4,000. So it's only going to put me just at like 95, 96,000 men total. So I should be able to build big brigades like 24, 2,300, but I won't be able to build 2,500, which is fine. I don't think I'm going to lose anything because of that. So that is my camp video so far. All these units will get broken down, probably. Some of them will stay whole, maybe like the best of the best will stay whole, and maybe we won't break down all of the 2-star ones, maybe we'll only break down like a quarter of them, and then mix them with whatever we have left over from this, because these probably won't make it to 2 stars. Like that one probably will. But a lot of these probably won't make it to 2-star. Like that one probably will, that one might. And maybe with a Brigadier General, this guy already would be. Let's see, 96, yeah. Let's see here, that guy, 99.
Sir, yes, sir.
Fine. I mean, we might as well. There's nothing to lose by gaining a star here or there, I don't think. We could go ahead and like pick up a guy that's got a little bit more stats there. But this is going to be my army. I don't think there's anything else I want to change right now. Obviously, once I get in there and I start fighting, there is going to be a chance that I will have to rethink something in my strategy. Maybe I'll want some palmettos, or maybe I will do something else. But I think this looks like a good group of units. I don't know about the parrots. I might just want 2 more 24-pounders. We will find out. Whenever you see my next video, I will have already made all those decisions.